And I forgot my ponytail. I just put a half up, half bun thing. I don't know what it is. Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a get ready with me, and this is for a wedding guest, and this is my aftermath look. So if you guys want to see what I did to create this, keep on watching. Okay, so I have my foundation and all my base done, like my eyebrows, my blush, and my bronzer. I'm just going to go in for my eyeshadow and do my eyes right now. So I'm going to start off using the ColourPop Cute AF palette, and I'm so in love with this. Like, look at the colors in that. They're just so bright and fun. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this color first, just as an overall base for my eyelid. And then I'm going to go in with this kind of brown, it's like a warm brown color right there. And I'm actually just going to spread this all over my eyelid. And I'm kind of just doing it a little bit messy. It doesn't have to be perfect. We'll clean it up after. I'm just kind of going for like a warm summer look today. Okay, and now I'm going to just put a little bit under my eyelid just to kind of tie it all together. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with this bright gold color, and I'm super excited about this. I'm wearing this mustard jumpsuit, so I kind of wanted to do some warm tones and some golds. And I'm just going to put this on the inner half of my eyelid. And one thing I love about this palette, you can build all the colors really nicely. I would definitely recommend if you don't have it, and it's pretty affordable. Okay, and next going in with this light shade again, I'm just going to kind of blend everything together so it's a little bit less harsh. And I'm doing the same to the other eye. Oh, and now I'm going to go in with some eyeliner. I'm just going to do a wing look, and I'm just using the L'Oreal black eyeliner. It's a felt tip. So we are going to attempt this eyeliner. Sometimes I get it right first try, and I'm so happy with it. And sometimes I just end up having these huge triangles on my eyelids that are just getting bigger by the second. So let's give this a go. Okay, so we have one down. Let's see if we can do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, so that was a good eyeliner day. So they both turned out with what I wanted. I do like my winged eyeliner a little bit bigger and a little bit more solid. So yeah, that's what that looks like. And then I'm just going to do my mascara. Okay, and for my mascara, I use the L'Oreal Voluminous one, and I think it's just in the Blackest Black. Yeah, it's just black. And this is one of my favorite mascaras ever. Every time I try something new, I always go back to this mascara. I don't know, it's just my ride or die, I guess. And I am very generous with my mascara. I love mascara. And I do have long eyelashes. They're just a little bit lighter, so they're hard to see. So that is why I love my mascara. Okay, there. Oh my god, I still have a hair tie mark on my arm because I slept with my hair tie on, and I hate doing that. So let's hope that goes away before the wedding today. Okay, and then I'm just going to touch up my face with my powder, and I just use the Rimmel translucent powder, and I just kind of go over my face and just touch it up. I do have kind of oily skin, so this will be coming with me to the wedding. Okay, so for my hair, I do have it already curled, But what I'm going to do is tie half it up and kind of do like a braid chunk. And I forgot my ponytail. Okay, so I just quickly did my hair. I just put a half up, half bun thing, I don't know what it is, on top of my head. It's just like a messy bun with some sticking out. And then I just did a quick little braid on the side. I didn't actually tie it, as I do want it as a little bit more messier, and my hair is curled so it has some more texture to it, so it probably won't fall out. But if you ever do recreate this, if your hair falls out easy, you can also tie it with like a little clear elastic or something. I'm just going to leave it kind of messy with the ends done. Okay, so this is what I did to my hair. I just tied it in this kind of half up bun, and it's just really messy. It takes 2 seconds, and then I leave half of it out so it's a little bit more natural and has that messy look to it. And this is what it looks like from the front. Okay, so this is my outfit. I'm actually wearing it now. It's just this mustard yellow jumpsuit. I think it's called Colette's or Colette's. I don't know. I'm butchering that, but you guys get what I'm trying to say. And then I'm going to pair it with these strapped platform wedge sandals, which are super comfortable. I was going to wear heels, but part of the wedding is on grass, so I don't want to be stuck in the grass the entire time. So I decided to go with these. And then I'm going to be pairing that with this black and silver purse, which is super comfortable and it's perfect size. It can hold my phone, it can hold my wallet, everything I kind of need. And yeah, I decided to go with this one and match it with my silver dangly earrings. I am totally fine with mixing metals, but I decided for today to go with the silver and the silver. So yeah, this is my outfit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, as well as make sure you subscribe down below so you guys can see my future uploads. And I will have all my social media links in the description box down below if you guys do want to check those out. I am super active on my Instagram and Twitter. So I will see you guys all later. Bye!